Hi, welcome to this video on the Higgins Brothers Luster ball. In this video, you'll learn how to turn the ball on, turn the ball off, troubleshoot, and also change the batteries. To turn the ball on, simply turn the knob clockwise or to the right slightly until it clamps down firm enough to turn the batteries on. Turn the ball off, simply turn the knob left or counterclockwise until the ball turns off. To change the batteries, you'll need to turn the ball left or counterclockwise until the battery comes all the way out. Continue turning until this piece comes off. Once the battery cap comes off, you'll need to use a flathead screwdriver to grab the small metal latch and pull the battery casing all the way out. Once the battery casing is all the way out, you can use your hand to pull it completely out. You'll notice that there are 3 LR43 batteries inside. Simply take them out and replace them with new batteries. To replace the batteries, take the LR43 batteries and keep the writing side up and slide them in one by one until all 3 batteries are in. Once all 3 batteries are in, you can slide the battery casing as far as you can with your finger and then take your flathead screwdriver and push the battery housing all the way in. With the battery housing all the way in, you can take the battery cap, place it on top, and twist it clockwise or to the right until it firmly clamps down and activates the light. If you're having problems activating your light by turning it all the way to the right, go ahead, loosen it, shake it a bit, and then turn it to the right again. It's possible that during shipment the battery casing may have moved and created less contact than is necessary to turn on the light. Simply shake it, twist it to the left and the right, and shake it again until it activates.